And with this anti-gravity machine, I'll destroy all of Manhattan unless you wire me $10 million. I'm sorry, with what machine? Did you say you invented anti-gravity? Yeah. Dude, just sell that. What? That's like the greatest scientific discovery in all of human history. You could literally make billions. But I'm an evil genius. All I know how to do is evil shit. Bro, start a company and change the world. Like, stop f***ing around. But guys, what's this guy gonna tell us next? That he invented frickin' teleportation? You already invented teleportation? Many years ago, yeah. I'm gonna end this dude's life. No, we need him. What in the honey bunches of f*** have you been doing with teleportation? Well, mostly to teleport myself into bank vaults. Wow, super cool. So do you also use it to skip the line at Disney World and teleport food into your fat mouth? No, but I will now. Now that you brought that up, I will. Dude, your technology's like 500 years ahead of modern science. Like, just start a business and it literally, like, can't fail. Come on, guys, that wouldn't be any fun. I mean, plus, like, those inventions are nothing compared to my time machine. No, wait!